Hello, it's Craig from the admin team, and I'm here today to talk about our resort guide. So if you are a newbie to the group, then this will be very helpful for when you are planning to come to Pefkos, or even while you're in resort. This is also a great reminder for anyone who is not a newbie to the group, as we might have had some updates within the resort guide. Once you have downloaded the latest version of our resort guide to your device, you will then have quick access from your home screen. Once you load the resort guide up, you will see all the different tabs. And when you scroll through, just choose which tab you like by just touching the writing to be taken then to that tab. So we have the following tabs: Map of Pefkos, Airport Transfers, recommendations from our members within our group of who to book with, Entertainment Guide, what is on within the resort and where are they, Local Buses and Transport tab, which includes the bus timetable, Taxis, Day trips, which include island tours, day and night tours, boat trips, water parks, even electric bike hire, and which companies we recommend for you to book them all through. A car hire tab, which companies again we recommend, things to do in and around the resort, takeaways and a special dietary requirements tab, Pefkos weather, which has a link to the latest current weather, order before you arrive, have groceries delivered to your room before you get there, festivals, which we will post the latest Rhodes Greek night dates and any other local festivals throughout the year on that tab, a walking guide tab, the cross, information on the cross and how to get there, beaches and sunbeds. This is where you will find a rough price of how much a sunbed will be and where all the local beaches are and what kind of beach they are, including a map on how to get there from the centre of Pefkos. We also got a medical assistance and mobility hire tab. Now, if you need to know where the doctor is or the telephone number or the pharmacist, then this tab has all the information for you and including companies on who you can rent out any mobility equipment through. We also have an ATM info tab. This is where the cash points are located and some tips on how to use them. Drones in Pefkos, information about using a drone while in Greece. We have our cat wall and road strays tab. Now this is a page dedicated to the cats where you can find out more about road strays. They are the ones who look after all the local strays and what you can do to actually help as well. Room tax. This is where you'll find out how much the room tax for your accommodation will be or a charge when you do arrive, and it is all dependent on the star rating. Wedding planners, a dedicated page where you can find all wedding planners information and so much more. There's also a tab about can I use my mobile phone abroad? Well, information about using your phone is all on here and including a very good deal on the eSIM for unlimited data. Passport information. Now this is a tab all about information about your passport to make sure it's in date and if it's valid. It would be really helpful. Rhodes Airport tab. Now it's a really helpful page full of tips and information about Rhodes Airport so you can guide yourself through the airport very easily. We also got a shop tab. Now this is where you can purchase your Friends of Pefkos merchandise and road strays items, which a donation will be made to the cats. So why not grab all your holiday essentials? We've got a Learn Greek tab. Now learn some basic Greek while you're there. And then YouTube channel and newsletter, you can subscribe to these and see latest videos and get updates sent to your emails. And we also then have a contact us. Now I really hope this is helpful and we are wanting feedback. So we're looking for any ideas for either future tabs or just any feedback that you feel that might be helpful. So please contact us. Just click on the Contact Us tab and we will be able to help you. Hopefully this has been really helpful. And as I said at the beginning, if you download this to your device, it's actually really helpful while you're in resort. You might be sat there one night and think, oh, what shall we do? You can have a look at the things to do. You can have a look at the day trips. Or if you want to go and watch some entertainment, where is it? And it will give you the Monday to Sunday guide. Oh, it's down there. Look on the map of Pefkos. How do I get there? And it's all in the palm of your hands. But from ourselves, we hope you enjoy the resort guide as much as we enjoy providing it for you. But anyhow, see you soon.